Okay, I told you I'd show you how to do this notch. What's all that racket in here? Oh, it's the air conditioner. I probably should leave it on. It's nice and cool in here. But you know what? I'm going to go ahead and turn it off. Okay. And let's see if I can't get you down in here. So the first thing I'm going to do is measure this, and I see it's 1 inch to inch and 3/4. It's a 1/2 inch thick. 1 inch to 1 3/4. So I'm going to flip this around. I'm going to look at that and see, yes, in fact, that's where I'm going to be. Okay. Let's get you resituated over here. Okay. I'm going to go 1 inch. 1 3/4, and it's going to be sticking out a 1/2 inch, so I can hold it anywhere and mark the 1/2. I can hold my finger on there, right where it is, close my eyes even, and then I can mark that. Okay, that's where I'm going to cut it. And I just take little nips at it at a time with my little cutters. These are just electrical cutters. Okay, I'm not going to cut the whole thing. If I try to cut the whole thing, I'm going to crack it. Okay, see how it already cracked, but it didn't go all the way. So I just do little bits at a time. And now I can extend that like I'm just making a little triangle, so to speak. A little bit at a time, okay? Until I get up to where I want it. Make sure it's not going to crack on me. Yeah, I'm making a square notch with some cutters. Okay, now I can take this and do little thin strips. I might want to cut that at an angle, go right up to my line. And this is kind of at an angle, so I have to kind of hold this differently to get it straight. Okay. Now I can flip that around, and now I'm going this way. Okay. Now I'm going to take my pliers, and I'm going to grab that just right at that line and pinch it and just wiggle it a little bit, maybe go that way. I'll clean up the mess when I get done. Don't you worry about that. Okay. Now I'm going to just cut this at a slight angle. You're not going to really see that. That may help my cord just sneak in there. That. Now I'm going to take my rasp. There. There's my hole. That's what I'm going to put up on the left-hand side. See? They've got the hole there. I've got the hole over here. I've got it just a hair wider in case my cord has to kind of slop in there. And that's going to be up against the wall, right? Let's take you into the other room real quick. I'm not going to show you how to put this one up because I think you've got it now. If you got any questions, you can replay the video on how I put the trim up and all the different steps. You see, when this notch right here goes up against the wall, you're never going to see that notch, are you? You are going to see the notches right here that nothing comes out, but that's just part of your trim, your face frame, okay? Well, there you go. Have fun. Well, this one's working fine too. See, I've got the cord over here, pooched out.
There was just a little bit of room on the trim. I kind of pushed in on that, had it zip down below and then back up.
Nice.